So you're not afraid of him?
No, not at all. Not at all. Backhoe Tom, he's just a legend. That was just my imagination, probably.
Backhoe Tom. Who is this mysterious figure who haunts West Virginia? Where did he come from? Why does he do the things he does? These are the questions I sought out to answer.
They say Backhoe Tom started off being raised by a pack of wild lawn chairs. So, Backhoe Tom, essentially, is this mythical being from southern West Virginia. More specifically, the rural parts. People truly believe in him down there. Mainly because he is coming out their doors all the time. People don't go to church anymore.
Many say that they've been visited by Backhoe Tom on Sunday mornings.
Go to church. Get out of there and get yourself church.
It's 3 o'clock in the morning.
That's no excuse.
I was with a host family in Japan, and they were super kind, super nice, and it's just that I was having a great time, and then Sunday came around. I was sitting there in my host family room. They were going off to work because they had an on-call shift for Sunday, so I was there left alone, and Backhoe Tom was driving up with his backhoe to my house, to the house I was staying at, and then all of a sudden, it's just that, like, he puts it in park right in front of our house. The host family's just driving by. He's just like, good morning to them. Doesn't even care about them. He just cares about me. And then, like, he just comes up to the door, and he's just slamming on the door with his pickaxe, screaming, get to church, get to church, get to church. And I open the door to him, and I see him standing there. He's huge, massive. And the cowboy hat, it makes it so you barely see his face, but you can see the big ginger beard on it. And it's just that, I explained to him, like, I don't even know where I'd go to church here. I don't even think they have churches here. I mean, it's a completely different culture, completely different, like, religion here. And then he just stares at me and just grabs me, and he just throws me in his backhoe, and then he takes me to some random place, I don't even know where it was. And he just locks me in a cage. And just for hours upon hours, he just reads me lines, quotes, and stuff from the Bible. I don't even want to think about that guy anymore. How would he get a backhoe to Japan?
But not all who believe in Backhoe Tom fear this legend.
I heard the legends of Backhoe Tom one time, and I wanted to see if they were real, so I missed church one Sunday morning. And he came a knocking at my door with his pickaxe, and I opened it up, and oh, by my golly, the glory that I saw was Backhoe Tom. So then I tried it again next week. I missed church again. And when he came a knocking on my door, I opened it wearing nothing but saran wrap. He went running so quickly. Whew! Man, can that man run. And I haven't been to church in 3 months, waiting for him to come on back. Oh, he hasn't come back yet, but I assure you, he'll be back one day. Man, that Backhoe Tom.
Howdy.
Howdy.
Backhoe Tom is also said to interact with other local West Virginia fables and legends, such as the mobster, Penny the Pin. We may not have all the answers to the mystery that is Backhoe Tom, but until we do, he will continue to intrigue, harass, entice, and terrify the citizens of West Virginia.
Yeah, the door's locked.
Good night.